and welcome. Today we're making these delicious Mangonada popsicles. I grew up eating these and they're perfect for any hot summer day. For this recipe you're going to need 4 large ripe mangoes. I already peeled and cut mine because we are going to blend them. I'm using 1/4 cup of sugar. This will depend on the sweetness of your mangoes. You can use more or you can use less. To blend everything you need about 1 cup of water or less depending on the thickness that you like for the mangonadas. These are the toppings used for mangonadas. Definitely not miss out on chamoy, and this is another version of chamoy, but it's less sweet, it's more spicy, and of course Tajín and limes. We're using disposable cups and disposable spoons this time, but I also have used popsicle sticks. Both of them are great, it just depends on your preference. And this is used for the traditional way of making mangonadas. Well, first things first, we're going to blend the mango with the water and the sugar. Now we're going to put our mango in the blender. We're going to blend it with the sugar. As you can see, it's a lot of mango because it's 4 large ones. Now let's put our sugar in. 1/4 cup. Like I say, you can use more or you can use less depending on the sweetness of the mango. And your 1 cup of water. I'm gonna leave this little bit, so you can see. You don't want it to completely be super watery. You want it a little bit of more of a thickness mixture when you blend it, because we're gonna be freezing this mixture. We're going to completely blend this until smooth. So let's get started. I'm using a Ninja blender. And for me, I don't have to choose it, it's auto senses, so it's just gonna click blend. This is the consistency I like. You can always make it more watery or thicker. It's up to you how you like it, but it doesn't really matter because you're gonna freeze this. This is an optional step, but I'm going to add Tajín in the mixture, and we're using the same blender cup because it has a spout for serving. So this is optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. You can just put it to serve it, but it goes great with it in it. I like to put a lot on mine because I absolutely love Tajín on anything. And then you're going to mix. Now we're ready to serve. Now time to start putting our mixture in the cups. I'm going to fill it up all the way to the line so it doesn't overflow since it expands when it freezes, and also because in traditional mangonadas we want to leave some room on the top to add the chamoy and the Tajín. Depending on the thickness of the mixture, if your mixture is too watery and once you put the stick or the spoon in, it doesn't stay on the side, I recommend putting it in the freezer for an hour so it hardens a little bit, or before it freezes completely. That way you can make sure the spoon is completely straight like this. That's why I like letting mine really thick, so the spoon or the stick holds the shape in the middle, as you can see. All our mangonadas are done. Look how pretty and delicious they look. Now it's time to put them in the freezer until they're frozen. Mangonada is done. Time for my favorite part, which is trying it out. I already put a little bit of chamoy in it, but let's put some more. Make sure you let your mangonada thaw for a little bit so you can move it around and put the chamoy in it. So I already put the sweet chamoy. Now I'm putting the one that's a little bit more spicy. No, not spicy, but it has a kick to it. It's not as sweet. Don't forget your lemon or lime. I suggest you use lime because it's more sour. And then more Tajín. So as you can see, all the flavors are gonna go on the buns, they're gonna go all around. And then you can keep on adding more because you can never have enough chamoy or Tajín on it. Keep it mixing it to your desired amount. Now let's try it out. That is yummy. And then you can keep on dipping it, adding more chamoy, it's up to you. But this is so yummy. Freeze them in the freezer. Oh man. Duh. Estoy embarrada de paleta.